concept of a and an. वेलकम टू चांस एजुकेशन। चांस एजुकेशन में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए आए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए और हमारी वीडियोस को लाइक करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें और वीडियोस को अपने फ्रेंड्स, अपनी फैमिली तक ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। So let's start with me. Friends, first of all we will start with the concept of use of an. An is used with vowels. Friends, do you know vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Those words which start with vowel, we use an with them. Examples: an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, and an umbrella. This is an aeroplane. यह एक aeroplane है. We use an with aeroplane because aeroplane starts with vowel A. This is an orange. We use an with orange because orange starts with O and O is a vowel. Right, guys? This is an egg and egg starts with E. That's why we use here an. Very good, guys. This is an uniform and uniform starts with U. That's why we put an here. Very good, guys and girls. This is an ink pot and ink pot starts with, very good students, ink pot starts with I and I is a vowel. That's why we put an here. Now friends, you understand the concept of an? Very good. Now we will start the concept of A. Concept of A. A is used with other words excepting vowels. Those words start with other than vowels, we use A with them. For example, a bag, a watermelon, a cake, a hut, and a mat. This is a car and we use understand the concepts of a and an clearly. Now it's homework time. So take out your pencil and your notebook and be ready to note down the homework question. Fill in the blanks using a and an. Question 1. I have dash pet dog. 2. Question. They want dash egg. She is dash smart girl. I see dash old man. Next question. Tina has dash new toothbrush. 6. He is reading dash comic book. And your time starts now. You can see answers of homework question in the description box. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like and share our video. Thank you guys.